Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Gus Random Reviews. In this video, I will be reviewing the Sunkos Sunshine Electric Heater, the world's first electric heater to use far infrared heating technology on a large area. This heater creates no sound, no wind, no light, and is capable of reaching fast heating speeds of 90 degrees Fahrenheit in 3 seconds. My review will be broken into several sections: unboxing of the Sunkos Sunshine Electric Heater, assembly of the main unit with accessories, taking a closer look at the specs, both material and technical, setup demonstration of the technical specs, demonstration of the operational unit, your pros and cons, and finally, my final comments. Unboxing of the Sunkos was quite simple. Simply take some scissors and slice through the protective tape of the main box. Within the box, remove the unit, which is protected by an additional box with a handle. Place the box flat on the floor surface and carefully open the second box. Remove the protective edge covers and then place the Sunkos safely upwards. Then continue to remove the protected cover on the accessories, which is the remote and the legs. What you will see in the end is the main heater unit, remote control, a user guide, and 2 kickstands or legs. To assemble the main unit and accessories, locate and grab the leg accessories and inspect. At the bottom, you will see the anti-slippery rubber soles, and on top, a small and long rod which will match when inserting the legs into the holes at the bottom of the heater. Tilt the main unit on its side and firmly press the leg accessory. You will need to add strength. Repeat the process on the other side. Press firmly the other leg accessory. Once again, you will need to add pressure to ensure the leg has been fully inserted. Finally, place the Sunkos heater upright and double check its balance, ensuring that it's leveled and not unstable. Now let's take a look at the specs of both material and technical. On top of the unit, you have a strap with a nice logo which reads Sunkos. This strap looks and feels very fancy with a leather type material. This allows for you to move the unit and transport the heater easily from one place to another. The weight is about 7 pounds, so it's not too heavy, which makes it easier to move it to whatever room you need heated. The front net and the back cloth are made of aramid fiber, which is a lightweight material that is highly resistant to fatigue and damage. It is a high quality carbon nanofilm widely used in aviation and making body armor. The unit measures about 2.2 in diameter, 20 inches in width, and 26.4 in height. The outer shell or frame is made of metal with a nice white paint finish, and at the bottom there is a touch screen control panel with display options. It comes with an easy to operate remote and a smart app with Alexa enabled or third-party services. The control panel has a plastic feel and is very intuitive and responsive. The settings are easy to change and read, also not too overwhelming. Some of the safety features consist of tip-over protection, overheating protection, and child safety protection. Let me show you how easy it was to set up the recommended app and also show you a demonstration of how easy it was to operate it. With your mobile phone, scan the QR code and download the app. Open the app and go through the login and or sign up option. Since this might be the first time use, you will need to sign up an account with the Smart Life app. Enter your email and receive a verification code, which you will then enter into the setup within the app. Go to the app before you press Add Device. Turn on the Sunkos heater. You can either use the remote or manually turn on the unit. Once turned on, locate the M button, long press until the symbol flashes to pair. Then navigate to turn on Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is turned on, locate the unit within the discovered devices, followed by pressing the Add button. Enter in your Wi-Fi password, and finally, the device will be added. Using your mobile remote control within the Smart Life app was easy. You don't have to be in front of the heater to change the settings. You can be in different rooms or outside, and your heater will respond to any change as opposed to the physical remote control. You can also use several third-party services to interact with the application. Either link and enable Alexa, Google Assistant, and others, or you can use intuitive digital remote. I found the remote within the app to be simple and not too busy or overwhelming. It was easy to find the buttons. Clicking on the buttons and communicating with the heater was seamless with no lagging. Also, understanding each button's operations and the setting was quick and easy to change. Voice command from either Alexa or Google Assistant was very responsive. Although
Hey Alexa,
when dictating certain commands,
set the
either
temperature
Alexa
to 85
or Google
degrees.
Assistant gave me gibberish. Nevertheless, I found that with voice commands, you must be direct and specific to just the heater commands. Either way, it connected and responded beautifully as expected. The Sunkos Sunshine Heater has some really nice features. Fast heating, it can reach as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit within 3 seconds. Multiple ways to control your heater. You can do it manually, you can use the proprietary remote, or finally you can use the mobile app. The menu options within the heater are easy to understand and operate. It has 2 different modes. The first mode is called Focused Heat. This mode allows you to set your heat in 3 different settings. They are labeled P1, which is your low temp setting, P2, which is your mid temp setting, and P3, which is your high setting. With these settings, you cannot adjust the temperature. The second mode is called Space Heat. With this, you can change the settings of your heater by minus or plus degrees and adjust the temperature per your liking. It is considered the echo mode because the heater will adjust its performance to maintain a desirable temperature within the room. The heater does not propel wind. Notice that there's no movement of placing a piece of paper in front of it. The heater does not produce sound. The only sound is when making changes to a setting. It is also important to make note the heat produced is not going to dry or irritate your skin due to the no wind produced by the heater. Now let's discuss some of the features where the Sunkos heater lacks performance. You cannot set a child lock mode directly within the main unit as there is no option. You can only do this via the physical remote or the app. Similarly, the night mode also cannot be set directly from the main unit. If child lock mode is set, you cannot remove it from the unit. The only way to bypass this is disconnecting the unit from its power source or disabling it from the remote. If child lock mode is set and the heater tilts or falls down, it does not auto shut off. so this is a hazard. The outer unit frame can get very hot. However, this is expected for heaters. However, if you have some children, you may want to keep away. To conclude, I am very happy with the Sunkos performance. With the cold weather around the corner, having the Sunkos heater has been amazing. It heats up very fast. The heat produced is comfortable and tolerable. I like that this does not produce noise, and therefore you don't have to constantly hear the noise in the background. Using the physical remote and the app is so easy. The settings are simple to operate and understand, and the design is fancy and easy on the eyes. I've also learned to appreciate its design. It looks fancy and it goes well in any room. If you're looking for an electric heater, this one might be just what you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and I appreciate you. Take care.